यहाँ से मौसम सचमुच बहुत खूबसूरत और सुहावना लगता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी लोग नहीं रहते। यहाँ पर कम से कम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी में कोई भी लोग नहीं रहता, इसलिए यह जगह बहुत शांत और वाइल्ड है। क्योंकि यहाँ का जंगली वातावरण हमें आराम देता है और हमें खुशी का एहसास दिलाता है। मैं हमेशा यहाँ पर आता हूँ ताकि मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। और मैं तुम्हें भी यही कहूँगा कि तुम्हें भी यहीं पर आके कुछ ऐसी जगह पर जाना चाहिए जहाँ पर बहुत शांति हो और वहाँ पर कोई भी ना हो। Most of the time you have to escape people, because people is the one of the fucking thing you have to escape, because people is not even it's your people's always want to suffer you, always want to pain in you, and always reflect what they feel to you. If you really want to know how life looks like, then you have to visit wildlife once in your life, because once you suffer your wildlife, then you can do anything in your life, because the real struggle is in the wild place, not in the city place. You can have the all processed food that you cannot even struggle for to get it. That's why I told you, you have to avoid processed food. You have to take natural sources food from tree and from animals, like from like chickens, beef, crabs, fish too. Fish is the one of the best thing I ever seen, because fish has the more population than people's, you know. That's why I prefer to eat fish, but not any equipment by you can use stick instead of using any fishing rod. Yes, if you can able to look what I see. Fuck. Yes, I really wanna tell you that you do not take any processed food. I would prefer you to take natural food from natural sources.